War reparations are a way for the losing side to pay for the lives lost. This is how it has always been, the business side of war. But what if the roles were reversed? If the winner of a war had to pay the loser, even if the war was justified? If it was the morally right thing to do? We don't have to imagine that scenario. It's what happened to Haiti.
Greetings to my viewers, my subscribers. In today's video, I want us to talk about the complex relationship between France and Haiti. We all know of what's going on in Haiti. Haiti is currently going through a very difficult state, a very saddening difficult state. And France has been linked to several, or rather to be the main culprit behind the ongoing war in Haiti. It's been told that, or rather been said, that the gangs in Haiti with French, or rather US military weapons, where are they getting all these high automated weapons from? Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your host Larry, and remember, if you're watching my videos for the first time, kindly like, subscribe, comment and share to my videos. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, and to my new subscribers, I want you to feel much welcomed on board. So today I want us to look at what happened, or rather the relationship between France and Haiti. Let's draw it back from where it began. Enslaved Haitians did the most seemingly impossible. They ousted their French masters and founded a nation. But France made generations of Haitians pay for their freedom, and in cash. How much has remained a mystery until now. The Times scoured centuries-old documents to find the answer. So, during colonization, France colonized Haiti, then known as Saint-Domingue, and the colony became France's most productive and wealthiest. The colony's economy was based on plantation crops, and the French imported almost 800,000 Africans to work as slaves. And now, during our revolution in 1791, rebellion began in Haiti that led to the country's independence in 1804. Haiti then became the first independent country in Latin America and the Caribbean. Now, during reparations, to secure independence, Haiti was forced to pay France 150 million francs, which was equivalent to between 20 and 30 billion in today's dollars. Haiti took loans from the French banks to pay the reparations, which took them 122 years to pay off.
Have you heard of the term war reparations? It's a specific type of payment given by a losing country to the winner of a war. This has always taken place in history. Germany paid this to the victorious Allies after World War II, and after World War I as well. France paid this to Britain after Napoleon was defeated. War reparations are a way for the losing side to pay for the lives lost. This is how it has always been, the business side of war. But what if the roles were reversed? If the winner of a war had to pay the loser, even if the war was justified? If it was the morally right thing to do? We don't have to imagine that scenario. It's what happened to Haiti. and the country has been suffering for 200 years because of this. Haiti is the poorest country in the Western Hemisphere. It's a country in the Caribbean Sea. It occupies half of an island, Hispaniola. The other half is a different country, the Dominican Republic, where the people are, on average, 10 times richer than the Haitians. What led to this stark disparity? Simply put, France. Haiti was once a French colony, called Saint-Domingue. France filled it with sugar and coffee plantations, and slaves to work on them. By the year 1789, 90% of the people in Saint-Domingue were slaves, subjected to barbaric cruelty by the French colonizers. So the slaves rose up to break their shackles. They finally won their freedom from the French in 1804, after fighting for over a decade. The people even defeated Napoleon's armada, making a place for themselves in history. But the joy was short-lived. Napoleon was beaten in Europe as well. The French monarchy was restored, and they wanted their colony back. France sent another armada in 1825. 500 cannons were pointed at the now free nation of Haiti, and the French made them an offer at gunship point. Pay 150 million francs for your freedom, or we'll enslave and kill you again. Let's look at a contemporary comparison, the Louisiana Purchase. The US actually purchased much of the present-day South and Midwest from France back in the year 1804. More than 2 million square kilometers of land, about 77 times the size of Haiti. How much did the US pay France? 80 million francs, or $15 million. 21 years later, France forced Haiti to pay almost double this amount, 150 million francs. Now obviously, Haiti did not have that kind of money, so France made it borrow the money from French bankers. There were banker fees and interest, which meant Haiti was paying off the ransom for 122 years. The final payment was made in 1947. That is when Haiti was free of the French debt. So how much do you think the total debt was worth? Well, that is a question that will be debated by a United Nations group, the UN Permanent Forum on People of African Descent. 20 NGOs have come together. They're asking the forum for justice. They want France to return what it took from Haiti. When you add interest, it may be between 150 to $200 billion. France will deny this, of course. They have only ever acknowledged a moral debt that they owe Haiti, never actual compensation. Haiti is the poorest of its neighbors, brimming with gang violence and a history of impoverishment. The French robbery played a huge part in this mess, and this time, Paris should be the one paying.
So guys, once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you've watched the videos. So for real, we can agree that the French and the US are the main culprit behind the ongoing war in Haiti. But why would you fund such a country, or other gangs, to cause chaos? These gangs are unaliving their very own people. Innocent lives are being taken. Innocent children. To what purpose? To what gain are you getting? You are destabilizing Haiti as a country. Though the other peoples have said that the Kenyan and the Jamaican government forces that were sent to Haiti, they are the ones destabilizing Haiti government. We all know that these two troops from two different countries, they were sent to Haiti to help combat the ongoing war. But recently we had claims that the Kenyan soldiers, they are not doing anything in Haiti. They were accused of retreating easily. And now the Haitian government wants the Kenyan forces out of Haiti. It's so sad to hear such news. Others have questioned, Why would these two countries send their soldiers to combat their very own black people? People are saying that the US and the French are using Kenya to fight their very own black people, their brothers and sisters. Engage me in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this. Would you opt that the Jamaican and Kenyan troops to be asked to leave Haiti and let Haiti fight their own battle? Or rather, would you support and encourage that the Kenyan and Jamaican forces should continue combating and restoring peace in Haiti? Let me know of your thoughts in the comment section. So guys, thank you for being part of the Larry Uncovers family. You have been with me throughout this journey, and I have to admit that your support has been greatly positive impact to me. You are helping me grow in both ways, and for that I appreciate you. To my Asian viewers, brothers and sisters, mothers, fathers, I wish you and your country to regain your stability soon. If you lost a loved one, you receive my sincere condolences. May God comfort you in these crucial times. I'm your host Larry, and remember, if you're watching my videos for the first time, kindly like, subscribe, comment and share. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much. So guys, and until we meet again, peace out.